Hello guys, some of the jobs you can do, job role you can occupy when you take this research and data analysis is something like research assistant, junior data analyst or business analyst, market research analyst, AI prompts entry, where you focus more on prompt engineering, information specialist or slash analyst. Here, tools like Notebook LM will be practically useful. Freelance consultant, right? Where you can offer freelance services such as data analysis, report writing using the Google tools that will be covered. Also technical writer, right? And also digital transformation assistant slash coordinator. So these are some of the jobs opportunity you can actually uh, feel when you take this program. And platforms like Indeed, right, where you search like a market analyst, research analyst, you discover that we have about 11 jobs that are currently in Abuja, depending on your location where you're taking this course, right? When you come to Glassdoor, right? This is Glassdoor. We have research assistant, and we have jobs that are related to research assistants, right? Look at them. Okay, so we have similar jobs, research specialist, research associate, but our interest is research specialist, right? And then you also have Upwork. Upwork is even the birthplace where you can get some of these jobs, right? Easy jobs where you are paid $10, you are paid. It's a platform, right? Where you build over time and show them that you can actually deliver. And this program will help you learn most of those things. Content developer for digital transformation training material. This is very easy to do. By the time you know how to prompt, you can actually do this. Okay. So there's a lot of opportunities here on Upwork. So that's exactly what I'm going to do in this training. So hello guys, this is the solution we have for you. Master AI for research and data analysis. You learn to save time, you learn the practical skills and also how to get jobs using this skill. Now the tools that we are going to be considering is Notebook LM, Gemini AI Studio, Google AI Studio rather, Gemini, and then we also talk about Google Colab and Data Science Agent. So all these tools are AI tools that are owned by Google, and they are very very efficient when it comes to what they are built for. So this particular program is structured, has various modules. The first module we are going to be exploring the tools. The second module we are going to be exploring the prompt engineering, which is the foundation for your success, right? And then the third module we are going to be exploring now how to apply this tool on in a real life scenario. Now, this chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 is not restricted to this model, right? It's just a way to see how you can use this tool. So we had to, adopt a real life scenario in order to demonstrate the how to use this tool. So it's not restricted to this methodology. Okay, then we'll dive into data analysis, right? And then even we also have a program where we talk about data analysis for Microsoft. Okay, yes, Microsoft. So we also have the practical aspect of this course. So you're not just taking this course for taking sake. After the course, we are going to guide you whereby you apply everything you have learned, right, to gain hands-on experience. So you're going to guide you to how to use Canvas, Notebook, Gemini, and all of them to improve your skills, right? And then after that, you're going to be given certificates. We also teach you the presentation skills, how to bypass AI detection tools. We also help you to get jobs, how to get jobs using these skills, right? And then there's also provision for Microsoft certification course, which we call the traditional model. In this particular place, this course is mainly AI. Now, why this one is a traditional model? In order for you to be more exposed to data analysis. So I hope it makes sense to you. So I encourage you to register for the training. Thank you.